Hi my fragrance friends, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. I always appreciate you. So today I want to share just a couple of a few combos that I did in the last week and a half. There are some days I just used a perfume. I didn't do a whole combination. So whatever I did do, I will share it here, and whatever I don't share is because I have it in my shorts. And yes, I'm putting this up before I put the other half of my Middle Eastern collection. Because guess who has to record it? Guess who does not have the recording of the second half of it? And I have to re-record the other half. So, anywho's, definitely want to get this out to you guys before that. Alright, so we're going to hop right in. Alright, so let's see which one. I'll start with what I have today. To clean this off, excuse-moi. Okay, here. So this is the combination that I have, and these are Middle Eastern perfumes. You can go watch my Middle Eastern perfume collection video. These were introduced over there. So here we have Shagaf Woman. This is a gorgeous, stunning, sharp, citrusy, sweet perfume. Affordable. I think you can get it under $30. And this is another Middle Eastern perfume as well. But again, these are very citrusy. They're not what you would think as a Middle Eastern perfumes. I think these are more, personally I think Middle Eastern perfumes are just mass appealing in general, but what you would not typically think of the scent profile of a Middle Eastern scent is. So this also has citrus, this has apple, this has a woody scent, and they're both really strong. So this is nice. This is sharp, tart, but sweet, because that praline you get right away. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is so bloody good. I have a backup bottle of this, and I just ordered another backup bottle of my backup. Oh, so good. There's lemon and lime in here, and apple, and I believe lotus as well, and of course there's musk. This lasts quite a while. There's no problem with longevity on this one. Obviously it's not like 12 hours, I think it's about 6 hours-ish, and this is strong, so be easy with this. So I go in with Shagaf Woman. That's what I did this morning because I wanted to smell sharp, because I needed to be on my toes today. So I went with this, and then again we have a citrusy, woody scent as well, but this is more unisex leaning. This is more sweet leaning, but without being cloying again. So this has wood, this has lemon, bergamot, apple. There's oud, but when you see the notes, don't be scared because I don't sense the oud at all, so I wish they didn't even put that there because I don't sense it at all. And this is a beast as well. So this is definitely stronger than this. So this projects, this will last all day on your clothes. Not necessarily on your skin. It will last maybe 7 hours on your skin, but all day on your clothes, so don't worry about that. So I went in with this at the bottom, and I went in with this on top. Ooh! I didn't use Lubriderm lotion today. I used, do you know the new pink release? Honey Ginger. So I went in all over my body with Honey Ginger. I just thought honey and ginger would go really beautifully with the apple notes, and I was right. So I went in with honey apple all over my body. I'm sorry. The honey, ginger honey lotions all the way in the other room. Oh my god, I'm a mess right now. I'm so sorry. I put that as the base on my body, and I went in with these two perfumes, and it's bloody amazing. You want a mood uplifter, you want to feel sharp, you want to feel grown up, but still have a certain childishness to you. It's hard to explain until you smell this, but I have never smelled anything like this before, and this is really awesome. So first combination, moving straight on to the next one. This one, oh my god, whew, this is so good. Okay, so this is Kayali Juicy Apple Eden. And this one, most of you may not have seen this before. This is from Juicy Couture. I mean, you might be able to recognize the shape of the bottle because it's very signature, but you don't probably recognize what this is. This was originally released in, I think, Dubai. Yeah, I think it was Dubai, but now it's available to the American market as well. This has praline, this has woods. Oh my god, yeah, this praline, you get that sweetness of the praline right away. I think there might be, I hesitate to say there's incense in there. Yeah, so basically all you get with this is woods and praline, and this is very sweet and this is strong. It's not the longest lasting, but it is very strong, so you will be smelled. And it leans a little bit more, I would think, on the Middle Eastern Oriental category if you had to put it in the category. But again, this is a mass appealing scent because I think it's still Juicy Couture, yeah? And then you have Kayali Juicy Apple. And this doesn't have an apple note, at least not that I remember. It's just praline and woods. Absolutely stunning scent. Sorry, just it's stunning. I don't know why I thought to put these together, but I did. So I went with Majestic Woods. I'll put the names down below because I know this, you're thinking, I'm not going to remember this. I'll put the names down below. So I went with Majestic Woods on my body. And for this day, I believe I just used Lubriderm. I just used straight up unscented Lubriderm on my body. Then I went in with Majestic Woods, and then I topped it off with Kayali. I smelled so good. So good. I went out for dinner that day, and on the way back home, I stopped to go pick up something before coming home. And I think at that point it was like 11 o'clock at night. And this man comes to ask me, what am I wearing? And naturally, it's 11 o'clock at night. And so I'm going to have a little bit of an attitude. Okay, not a little bit. I had an attitude. So I kind of just like mumbled what I was wearing. And he said, what? He said, but which Juicy Couture? And I'm looking at him like, dude, it's 11 o'clock at night. Like, why are you, like, I appreciate the compliment, don't get me wrong. But again, I'm alone and it's 11 o'clock at night. Can we just, wrap this up here? I didn't realize he was asking for his wife. His wife is so shy. He asked me 3 times, which Juicy Couture? I'm like, what? He said, which Juicy Couture? I'm like, what? Then she comes out. She was hiding in the aisle listening. I forget sometimes that people are shy. And they're not just like me. I'll walk up to anybody and just ask them what they're wearing. I wouldn't think twice. So she's hiding in the aisle. And she's like, which Juicy Couture are you wearing? I'm like, oh my God, she was so cute. She's like, you smell so nice. I was like, oh my God, my whole attitude changed. I'm like, oh my God, I'm so sorry. Anyway, I told him what I was wearing. But yeah, so sometimes I forget because you forget sometimes that people won't just walk up to you. Even when for the ladies who don't get compliments, sometimes I think it's just because maybe some people, maybe not have the nerve to ask a complete stranger what it is. And I think there's a billboard on my head that just says, come talk to me. I think that's just what it is. Good Lord. Anyway, so big compliment getter. Big compliment getter. When I went out for dinner that night as well, I also got compliments on that as well. So Juicy Couture, Majestic Woods, and Kayali Juicy Apple. Ooh, gotta speed this up. Ooh, I gotta get ready for my meeting. Okay. I did a community post on this, but just in case you didn't see, because I didn't do a short on this. So this was the combination that I did. I'll just give you a quick overview. Okay. Here we go. All right. So from Bath & Body Works, I went with Sweet Pea. This is a classic one. This one has Sweet Pea, Watery Pear, Sheer Freesia, Luscious Raspberry, Soft Musk. So I went in with this all the way from the top of my neck all the way down to my toes as a base. And then I went in with Victoria's Secret. This has been in my collection for a few months and I haven't shown it any love. So I went sniffing around my collection and decided to show this some love. It is Victoria's Secret Berry Elixir. So if you have this in your collection, go pull it out. This one has vanilla bourbon, muddled berries, and sensational high. This is juicy. This is literally juicy. It smells kind of like a cross between cranberry juice and grape juice. And a little bit of apple juice. And again, I know there's no apple in here. I'm just telling you what it smells like to my nose. It's like you took all those juices and you put it together and then you put it on your body. So Sweet Pea. I know this has a matching lotion, but I just like to mix things up. So Sweet Pea, Berry Elixir, and then you have another Victoria's Secret here. This is Bombshell Passion. I'm a Bombshell collector, so whatever they release, I will grab. But this is I believe part of their core Bombshell collection, I believe. So this should be available. So I don't remember what the notes in this is, but I believe it has passion fruit in here. So this is sharp, this is tangy, there's definitely berries in here. So that's in that vein. I'm really blanking on the notes on this. I'm so sorry. But again, it's seductive in a bright, juicy way. Oof, God, this is good. There has to be some kind of woods in here too. So it's tart, so there must be some kind of obviously berry notes, something tangy, I guess from passion fruit maybe. Maybe some berries. Definitely some wood note because this is pretty strong. Okay, so you go in with Victoria's Secret Bombshell Passion. It's the purple one. And then go in and top this off with Ariana Grande 2.0. This is the one in that dumb purple heart. Again, a tart, uplifting, happy, very flirty perfume. This has pomegranate in it. And I just thought the juicy pomegranate would go well with all these other beautiful berries. And oh my God. Where was I? I was shopping, of course. What the heck else do I do other than shop? Anyway, and I was walking through an aisle and somebody was following my scent trail and they said, "Oh, it's you that smells good. What are you wearing?" And you know what? Come to think of it, people feel really comfortable asking me what I'm wearing. Now that I'm thinking about it. Anywho, not all the time, but a lot of the time. When it's generally very unique, I do get asked a lot. Like, I don't make up compliments, ladies. If I tell you I'm getting compliments, I'm getting compliments. Because, side note. Like, I see a lot in comments, and like, even when I was just a viewer and I was not on YouTube, like, I saw there was a lot of, I guess, doubt on whether YouTubers are lying about their compliments. I cannot speak for anyone else. I cannot speak for anyone else other than myself. I do not fib about getting compliments. I would not say I get a compliment if I do not get it. You know what I mean? I think that's misleading and I would not do that to you guys. So that's why I try to be as detailed as possible when I get a compliment. That's why I usually walk you guys through the story, but also I'm chitty chatty, but that's another thing. Or sometimes it's just a compliment, you smell good, and then that just falls under the genre of, compliments. But yes, to any maybe doubt that's in your head, I don't fib. If I'm telling you I get a compliment, I get a compliment. I was thinking about it. Since you're watching this kind of video, that means you're into smelling good. And I think for people like us, like, you know what I enjoy more than people, like men and women stopping me dead in my tracks and, them giving me a compliment. "Oh my God, you're so stunning. Oh my God, you're so beautiful." Ladies, you know what I'm talking about, right? What I enjoy more than that, because I have nothing to do with the way that I look, right? I have nothing to do with that. But when they say you smell good, whew, you just made my day. You just made my day. You literally just made my day. And obviously you're watching these kind of videos because to you, smelling good is a priority too. So yeah, just to let you know, I totally get you guys. Like, that just brightens our day. So even if you're shy, try it. If you think somebody smells good, don't hesitate to tell them they smell good. I think that's what I'm trying to say. Just don't hesitate, because you never know how it might turn their day around. Anywho's, I digress. Moving quickly along. Okay, I covered that. Ooh, last one. Okay, this one's yummy. Okay, so this one I have, it's a simple one, but then I'm going to add on one more thing here. So we have Jessica Simpson's Signature, and we have Beach Nights from Bath & Body Works, and together, oh my God. If you have a crush on somebody or you want to impress somebody, when they're going to be at least within 5 feet of you, yeah, not far. Okay, it doesn't have to be like arm projection, but at least a decent amount, and you want to smell good, wear this. This is available. I think the gift set is still available on Fragrance Night. I think some people are reselling it also on more cars, so you might want to look into that. So from Bath & Body Works, we have Beach Nights here. So you go in, for this day, I believe I just wore, again, unscented Lubriderm lotion. Did I go in with the body lotion? You know what, just to be on the safe side, go in with the body lotion to Beach Nights, because I actually have that in my bathroom, so likely, I should have wrote this down. I went in with the body cream of Bath Beach Nights from the top to the bottom, all the way to your toes, and a reminder, the notes for this are toasted marshmallow, sea salt breeze, s'mores accord, bleached driftwood, and creamy vanilla. Absolutely stunning. And the reason why I thought to put these together, so this has vanilla, apricot, clementine, vanilla, and driftwood. Of course, there's a lot more. I'm just simplifying it for you. I didn't quite smell the driftwood note initially, but as I've been training my nose with hundreds of perfumes, because I kind of lost my scent memory for about a year there, but that's for a whole nother video. I literally the memory bank of my ability to smell got wiped. But anyway, that's for another video. So I've been retraining myself this past year, and it took me a while. I didn't really smell the driftwood until like maybe a month ago, but it's so subtle. Again, you have to train your nose for these things. And so this also has a driftwood note, and it's all driftwood is a slightly salty smell. This one has a heavier salty smell. This is slightly salty, but it's appealing. And I thought because of the white chocolate note in here, salt and chocolate go amazingly together. And what does salt do to food, ladies, right? It enhances the flavor of the food. So I thought, hey, why not just enhance what's in here? So I put Beach Nights together and Jessica Simpson, and come on now, come on. Sometimes you don't need a verbal comment. That's all. Sometimes you don't need a verbal compliment. So just put these together, and you're welcome. And then another alternate on this. I wore this, and I just wanted to enhance the vanilla note a little bit more another day. And I still have to do a full review on this because it hasn't. Unless you've seen my haul mentioning this, you've likely never heard of it before. This is Giorini's Sweet Vanilla. This has red currant. This has sandalwood, obviously has vanilla, duh. It has rose and peony. And on Fragrance X, there's only one review on entirety of online, and she mentions that it has oud. Ladies, I'm telling you right now, it does not have oud. What I think happened is she meant to comment on another perfume from this brand and accidentally commented on this. There is no oud at all. There's nothing woody about this. There's sandalwood, but sandalwood can come off creamy. This is not woody. There's no oud. I can sense oud in practically anything. On like an oud detector, there's no oud in here. So if you saw that video and you clicked on the link and it took you to Fragrance Net and you got scared because you saw it had oud, I'm telling you, ladies, before I actually drop my review, this has no oud in it. No oud. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Vanilla scent, and it's not cloying. It's sweet but not cloying. But anyway, I'll save that for review for that day, but I just wanted to warn you guys here now in case you saw that review and you guys get like, ew, oud. Ladies, there's no oud in it. I don't know why she put that there. I think she accidentally crossed over the perfumes. Anywhoosies, so you do the same thing. Beach Nights on the body, right? And then you go with Jessica Simpson signature, and then you top it off with Giorini's Sweet Vanilla, and you want to smell romantic and sweet and angelic. There you go. Alrighty, ladies, that's all I have to share for right now. I gotta quickly run to my meeting in 15 minutes. I gotta get my head together. Alright, so let me know what you think of these. I really appreciate when you guys take the time to come back to let me know what you think about a combo, or if you actually purchase some of my recommendations. It's like, I'm sure it's nothing to you, but it means everything to me, because I swear to God, sometimes I feel like I'm talking into an abyss. I swear to God, sometimes I feel like I'm talking to a wall. So I really appreciate when you guys do that. And I hope you guys have a lovely day, and just a gentle reminder to please find somebody to thank today, even if it's for something small, and more importantly, take a moment to thank God, because if you're watching this video, that means we made it into yet another day, and even with our trials and tribulations, God is great. Thank you, my friend. Bye.